Welcome to the Seashell Bay, a light and airy 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with a den and a 2-car garage. The kitchen is the heart of the home, with a big center island, bright white cabinetry, stainless appliances, and seating for the whole crew. Right alongside, the dining area is ready for sunny brunches and easygoing dinners with friends. The open great room flows out through sliding glass to the covered lanai. The primary suite is a serene retreat, filled with natural light and plenty of room to relax and unwind at the end of the day. The nearest beach is about 20 minutes away. The primary bath adds a walk-in shower and dual vanity. I'm Karen Lawell with Counts Real Estate Group. Let's find your place in paradise. Hi everyone, I'm Karen Lawell. If you're dreaming of a new life in Latitude Margaritaville, give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe for a new home tour every week, and reach out anytime you're ready to make the move.